You can start making money with digital marketing without experience. It's not a scam, it's not a dream, and it's not just for influencers with a large following. In this video, I'll break down the real difference between digital products and digital marketing, and how beginners are using both to start earning income online with zero prior experience. Let's start with something simple. Digital marketing is the strategy, and digital products are what you sell. Think of digital marketing as the roadmap and the vehicle, and your digital products are the destination. Digital marketing includes things like content creation, SEO, email funnels, and social media, while digital products are ebooks, templates, courses, or tools you sell online. This combo is powerful because digital products are low cost to start and can be sold over and over. And digital marketing is how you reach the people that need them. A single well-structured video or blog post can drive traffic to your product for years. This means you do not need to invent something new. You just need to match a product with a proven need, and then use content to drive traffic. Digital marketing gives you the strategy, and digital products give you the revenue. What niche or audience are you thinking about helping with your digital product? Drop your idea in the comments, I'll be responding to them. So far, I've shared the difference between digital marketing and digital products, and we have 4 more really good tips to go. But if you want to discover the perfect profitable digital product for you, you can download our totally free profitable digital product discovery bot. Now let's talk about what kinds of digital products you can sell, because you've got way more options than you think. From planners to spreadsheets, ebooks to digital courses, and even simple workshops. All of these are digital products you can sell 24/7. You can make a Canva template for social media, a budgeting spreadsheet for college students, or a tutorial for beginner bakers. The best part, you only need to create it once. You could sell a 10-page ebook for $27, and if 100 people buy, that's $2,700. Multiply that over time with more than one product, and you've built a system that grows with you. Start small. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead of the person you're helping. Picked one product idea and go all in, you can always expand later. But how do you make sure people actually want what you're selling? That is where market research comes in. And it really is the most underrated step that separates products that just sit on shelves from products that actually sell every day. Imagine you're opening a coffee shop. Would you choose a location at random, or would you check to see where people are already going to get coffee from? The same applies online. Use tools like Etsy search, Google autocomplete, Facebook group discussions, Reddit threads, and even TikTok comment sections to uncover what people are already asking for. Don't make this a guessing game. Use real data to create products people are actively searching for. When you validate demand before you create, you dramatically increase your chances of making consistent sales. Now that you've got a product idea, let's talk about how to create it fast. You can use free tools like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm, outline, and even create drafts of your product. Let's say you're building a guide for new realtors. You can prompt ChatGPT to generate a checklist of tasks for a new agent's first 30 days. You still need to edit, personalize it, and format it, but this cuts your time in half and removes a ton of overwhelm. You do not need to be a designer or some tech expert. Just use tools that help you move faster and stay focused. ChatGPT cannot replace you, but it can help you get your ideas out of your head and into a sellable format. And if you want to learn our entire process along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Finally, how do you actually market and sell your product? Use long-form content, aka YouTube, to post helpful content that connects to your product. Let's say you made a real estate template pack. Post videos giving marketing tips to realtors. At the end of the video, you're going to offer a free checklist. That freebie builds your email list, and your email list is where you introduce your digital product. It's a simple funnel. Content to freebie to email to product. This is not about being an influencer. It's about being helpful and showing people that you understand their problem. Even with a small audience, this strategy works because value builds trust, and trust leads to sales. You can absolutely do this. You do not need experience, followers, or fancy tech. You just need the willingness to learn, take small steps, and keep going. Remember, freedom does not come from money, it comes from control over your time. And digital products give you exactly that. And if you want to learn our entire process along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new training linked in the description below this video. Now that you know how to start making money with digital marketing with no experience, you might be wanting to learn how to start selling digital products with $0. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned to what's in this video, it's way more powerful. I'll see you in the next one.